We welcome you to our step 13. We open our file. And this step will show you how easy it is to create a freeform in Revit Architecture 2011. So first of all, we rotate our building and we want to switch in our massing and site tab, and we select here in place mass. Now everything is gray, so we are again in our edit mode. We can set our working plane. Click the set button and select our rear wall. If we click show, we can see where the reference plane is located. So now we want to sketch our freeform on this plane. Move in the right view. Click on our line tool. Up to the left. Down and down. Now we want to copy that line to our third grid. So we rotate our building. We select pick lines and choose here grid 3. Move over one of our lines. Use the top button to select all of our lines. Revit shows us here where our line will be placed. So we click. Now we want to loft these two lines to create a surface. So we click both of them and click here on create form. So that's our first freeform. Now we can make several modifications. We switch in our front view. We can move a single surface, or we can also move a single point. We want to move this point over here too. We also want to add some edges to our freeform. So we select the surface, and in our tab we click here on add edge, and we draw a line from bottom left side to the top right side. You can also add edges by clicking the right mouse button and select here add edge. Now we'll draw again one line. Now we switch in our backside view. And modify our freeform over here. We have also the possibility to move edges. So we move that over here. Select that edge, move it to the right side. And we select this point over here with our tab button, also to the right side. Now we also want to create some voids. We set our working plane on the front facade. And now we switch in our front side view. We draw a rectangle with a width of about 80 centimeters. Select that, and now we rotate it about 30 degrees. We can select our rectangle and move it a little bit, and click create form, void form. We rotate our building a little bit. We can modify our void. Now we want to copy our void, move back in our front view. Select our mass and our void, and with the shift button we deselect our mass, and with the copy tool we check if we have multiple activated, and we copy it several times with a distance of 7 meters to the right. So now we are done with our surface. We can finish mask. We get an ignorable information. Since our surface is only a reference object, we can place curtain walls, roofs, and walls on that reference surface. So we select here masking and site curtain system. We check if we have curtain system solar protection MPK activated, and we select all of our surfaces. Once we're done with that, we click on Create System, and now our solar projection has been created. That's it for step 13. We hope you enjoyed, and we'll be back for step 14.